Hello again, Evan Day here with another DITRY. This week we're going to make yet another duct tape project, a duct tape weave coaster. As you can see, I have my duct tape here, and I'm going to start off by making a series of different strips. First off, I'm going to lay out a 12-inch strip. That's maybe a little more than I actually need, but I'm going to make a series of 3-inch strips for my weave. Cut off there, and I'm actually going to fold it in half very carefully. Now I cut off the end to make it exactly the length that I want and to trim off any visible frayed edges. And now I'm going to mark off 3 inches to know where to cut my weave strips in the correct length. And now I'm simply going to repeat the process with a red strip of duct tape. We'll skip ahead. Okay, now we're going to create the border using some black duct tape here. Just making out 5-inch strip of tape. It depends on how big you want your coaster to be. Now you can see I'm going to fold it sticky side up and place the pieces of my weave side by side in the middle. And now we will take the other bits of our weave and fold them in over and under to create the middle of our coaster. And once we've created our border, I just trim off the edges, make sure it's even, and we're done. It's not perfect. A few sticky spots are visible at the top, but it still works just fine. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.